Welcome to Geeky Banker YouTube channel. We are here for CAIIB IT preparation. So this is mock test 8. First question is the two types of technology being adopted in the clearing are. This is typo mistake. First of all, first one is magnetic ink character recognition MICR, and second one is optical character recognition OCR. This is also known as automatic clearing system. So in India, for clearing we use MICR technology. For clearing there are two types of technology, MICR and OCR. In India, MICR technology is used. Okay, so there are some more questions I've covered here. Okay, so there is a question, what is a composite attribute? Composite attribute क्या है? An attribute that is composed of many other attribute is known as composite attribute. ठीक है, composite attribute. The composite attribute is represented by an ellipse and those ellipses are connected with an ellipse. जैसे एक नाम जो है, जैसे हमारा नेम है, तो there can be first name, there can be second name, there can be last name. Okay, and all are being represented by ellipse. So what is composite attribute? That composed of many other attribute is known as composite attribute, like name. Okay, second one, what is multivalued attribute? Multivalued attribute क्या है? An attribute can have more than one value. These attributes are known as multi-valued attribute. The double oval is used to represent multi-valued attribute. For example, a student can have more than one phone number. Exactly. आप दो सिम आप रख सकते हो, दो नंबर आप रख सकते हैं. तो वैसा attribute, an attribute which can have more than one value is known as multi-valued attribute, and for example phone number. ठीक है, so these are the question what I have covered here. So for full video download Geeky Banker app. So now you can scan this code. Once you will scan this code, you will be redirected to Play Store, our app link. Okay, so from there you can download. So please download, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and please share our YouTube link to other social media. Thanks for watching.